Your financial future should be the most important thing you think about every single day. Every time you go to bed, you should be thinking about, how can I get wealthier? How can I invest into projects with ease, knowing that I'm going to help not just me, but the generations after me? Guys, if you're not thinking like this, if you're thinking when I go to bed, I'm going to have to wake up tomorrow and go to work, you're doing it wrong. If you follow this channel, if you listen to what I'm saying, I'm going to show you multiple projects about how you can benefit your future. Today, we have one of the most fantastic projects around. We're going to revolutionize the way you think about finance. So let's get straight into that after this disclaimer. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's have some fun. Let's have a look. Okay, guys, so over at oneopportunity.com, okay, you're going to see this project. Now, I'm blessed that I get to introduce this to you today if you have not heard of it already. And if you haven't heard of it, I'm going to be a bit shocked. But guys, this is an incredible project, all right? This is DeFi in the business world, facilitates liquidity in every single way for business people who are connected to the crypto world. Come be part of the project. I'm going to show you exactly how you can. There's over 2 years of development, control of your profit and deposit, and it will soon be available to all users in one world and beyond. So guys, what I want you to do straight away is go and watch this trailer on the website. I'm not going to play it for you right now because I want to spend as much time as I can getting you the information, but please watch that. So guys, exactly how is this going to work? So the one that involves a high yield DApp, okay? DApp is decentralized app where they will have one of the best returns in the DeFi market. One comes to make your life change with a supply limited to 8 billion, the same number of humans on this earth. Guys, think about this. 8 billion people on this earth. If you are not striving to be part of that 1%, if you're clever, you can work out what 1% of 8 billion is, then you are not living life like you should. Try and listen to me in these videos because I'm trying to help you gain financial freedom. So guys, the idea is to share one with as many people as possible, okay? One is the project that will allow you to be the first millionaire in your family and change the life of the crypto world. So what exactly do we have here? The evolving economic landscape, crypto has emerged a force, and one has come to disrupt the industry. It's with great excitement that we can present to you the innovative crypto platform designed to transform the way we interact with the traditional finance system. So the main features and benefits, okay, we have insurmountable security. This is the backbone of One. It uses the latest encryption techniques and cutting-edge technologies where they can guarantee protection of users' assets and data. They have the speed and scalability, ease of accessibility, and diversified ecosystem. Guys, One is not just a trading platform. Okay, it's actually a complete ecosystem encompassing a variety of cryptocurrency related services. So from staking, lending, advanced trading options. Guys, if you've been a part of crypto projects before, you'll know what staking is. You'll know what all these options are, okay? This platform incorporates everything. You don't need to look any further. So let me go back. Okay, the opportunities here are just second to none. Now, it was designed with the aim of overcoming the challenges of limitations faced by the current cryptocurrencies. So, offering a comprehensive and reliable solution for investors, enthusiasts and users in crypto universe, a high qualified experts passionate about the potential of blockchain. What that means is, guys, experts have built this for you. Not just experts in building websites, not just building dApps, but experts in the financial space. Why would you listen to Joe off TikTok that has zero experience and has 0 followers because he said don't get into crypto projects? Why not listen to people that are in that 1% that I spoke about, that are making money every single day through projects like this safely? Listen to them, and they're the kind of people that created this platform. So stake one. You can multiply the value of your cryptocurrencies. Access now by clicking here. If we just click this, it'll show you where you can actually get started, okay? You want to connect your wallet. I use MetaMask. You can use whatever you want, okay? And you can see with the staking pool or your personal staking. Now, with the pool, you can get involved in any of these. We've got the unlocked One reward pool, which is 18% APY. We've got the 60-day reward pool, the 90 days. And obviously, the longer you stake it, the more you can get. Find me a bank. I don't care what country you're in. Find me a bank right now where you can get 149% APR. You know what? Find me a bank where you can get 5% APR. Over here, we can get 149% APR, guys. This is literally game changing. Having a look at the tokenomics, in the pre-sale, we've got 1 billion of them. Tax of buying 10%, tax of selling 10%, supply 8%, burn on every transaction 5%. And here's the official contract address. Please only ever use official links. Now, BSC is what it's on the Bet20 network. Okay, if you want to read the white paper, you can right here. But I want to jump over to Presale, where One Fair Launch is literally taking over. Guys, you can watch some of the videos on here, and this video will be promoted on here as well. But the launch pad for Presale is fantastic, and you can get all the information. Now, one thing I like to do, okay, is go onto people's Twitter. It gives me a little bit of a feel for how they're getting on. So let's dive into that right now, okay? This is a brand new Twitter. Look at this, August 2023. So they've just started. They've already got 79 followers, but they are promoting everything on their Twitter. So if you want to get involved in the pre-sale that's going on right now, please get involved. Give them a follow. Let them know in the comments you're from this channel, okay? Guys, oneopportunity.com is definitely something you need to be getting involved with. Do me a huge, huge favor. Get involved with One Opportunity because they're doing it the right way and safely. Get involved with their social medias. Imagine if you were on Binance's Twitter when they had 79 followers. Imagine that. And you were one of the innovators. This is what we're at right now. This is why I'm so excited about this project. Guys, here's the steps. Number 1, hit the link down below. Number 2, hit that like button. Number 3, hit the subscribe button. And number 4, if you like the videos that I make and you want to see me again, hit the bell because what's going to happen is you're going to get a notification next time I make a video, next time I found that winning project. But for now, One Opportunity is definitely that project. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Please be safe out in the crypto world. See you next time.